Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ula pyntip balai ngut ki samlapule MBBS napoh ke Jylla kidang Sahkut hapoh ke Bangladesh ke mynta hapdeng ke jingiaumsnam bat huri hura ke bajurba. Pyntip basaus paksan ngut ki samlapule kila bat kila shala iing lyngba ke Dawki Landport. Ke Sorkar kadang iakren shaid bat ke IndianEmbassy Dhaka bat kila Shimkhia na ke bynta ke jingwan phai suk jong ki wepat ki samlapule ki bedangsa. Pyntip bagi Sorkar kalabu ia kejing temu bencinano ada ke online portal register ni penrung kerteng bagi jingtip badon kambaro ia kisah melapuli na Meghalaya kiba puli shabar keri kenang bansuk hak banyo iakren niki bad litshaw la dadan kinu ki jingjia ki belong kerki.
But as soon as we got this information, we have immediately moved into action, and almost close to about 405 students from India have been evacuated from Bangladesh through Dawki, and out of them about 80 are from our state of Meghalaya itself, and then the rest are from other parts of the state of the country. We also have the students from Bhutan and Nepal also were there, and some tourists who were stuck, who again crossed the border from Dawki's side. So the movement is on. We have already got our nodal officers here in the state, as well as we have in touch with the Indian Embassy in Dhaka, and a senior IPS officer is directly in touch with us to facilitate any kind of movement that is required. At the same time, there are some concerns that have been raised regarding one particular college called the Eastern Medical College. About 36 students of ours are there, I'm told. Numbers could be up and down. I stand corrected on that, but roughly about 36 students. We are in touch with the officials there also, and with touch with the Indian Embassy. And though the college are saying that the situation is okay, but obviously a lot of the parents are very concerned. So I want to share and tell all the parents that we are continuously in touch. Though the situation in and around the college is okay, but en route there could be some situations, and therefore it will not be possible to take a chance unless until we are very sure that the route also is clear and they can be safely brought to the border. We'll have to watch the situation. So therefore those activities are on, and we are in touch. We are hopeful that within the next 24 hours we'll be able to assess the situation. We are ready from the Tripura side, because this particular point where they'll be entering is in Tripura. So we are in touch with the Tripura side also. We're in touch with our counterparts and our High Commission in Bangladesh also, and our officials also in touch, so that we can evacuate our students and others immediately from there as soon as we find that the route is also cleared. So I just want to share with all the concerned parents that we are doing everything in our capacity to ensure safe return of all the citizens. We are leaving no stone unturned. We are in touch with the Indian Embassy. We are in touch with also the students also at individual levels. We have made arrangements at Dawki in terms of everything from medical attention to food to transportation to security, and as we speak also, as I said, the different transfers and transportation of individuals is taking place. But I do urge our citizens also, if there is any information they have on anybody, we have given a nodal number, we have given a helpline number also. You can always call in this helpline number, and we have given a nodal officer's number also. So people can contact in those numbers as well if they find that any information is there which should come to us.